मडगांवच्यान बदली जाल्ल्या आग्नेलो फर्नांडिसाचो मडगांव पालिकेन भोवमान केलो. आग्नेलोच्या जाग्यार रोहिदास कदमाची मडगांव पालिकेचेर मुख्याधिकारी म्हूण बदली जाल्या. ह्या भोवमान सुवाळ्याक नगराध्यक्ष लिंडन परेरा आनी उपनगराध्यक्ष दिपाली सावळ हाजीर आशिल्ली. फर्नांडिसान कोणाचेरूच अन्याय जावपाक दिलो ना अशें नगराध्यक्ष लिंडन परेरान ह्या वेळार सांगलें. पालिकेचे मुख्याधिकारी पद सांबाळप हें खूब मोठें आव्हान. हें आव्हान ताणें बरे तरेन पेल्लें अशेंय लिंडनान म्हळें.
He has done a good, fabulous job for the Margo and for the people. Anybody comes to him, he will never say no. Anybody comes for him to any help, he will always say yes. This type of chief officer we require. So see, as a chairperson, many people come to me and say like there is so many work to be done. And ultimately it goes to the chief officer for signature. But I always say that he is a very good person, he will never say no. And his main aim is that not to harass people. When he gave a speech for Republic Day or Liberation Day, he always says that staff should work. Staff should not harass people. You should make the work very easily. Process should be very easy. And that's the way the chief officer worked for last 19 months.
Except one time there was no any major dharna or strike or that way. And sincerely I am telling you that I have never tried to delay the whatever benefits of the staff. It was due to some circumstances that we could not pay the salary on time, maybe some uniform allowance and other benefits on time. That was beyond my circumstances. So, but still, with your support, we have recovered a lot of money from which was outstanding. And during my 19 months tenure, except for 1 month, I remember, other months I used to disburse the salary on the last day of the month. So that was my achievement.